Hi, neighbor. We're going on a nature walk. You can come too. We can walk with my mom or with my dad. Who should we walk with this time?
Wonderful! We can go to the bridge and the enchanted garden.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore!
Enjoy your walk together.
I wonder what we're going to find here. Do you see anything we could collect? Leaves can be so many different colors. Look, Mom, a rock. A flower. This one is okay to pick. Let's hop like that frog. Hop, hop, hop. You can try too. Maybe Dad will like this flower. What color flowers do you like?
Leaves can be all kinds of shapes and sizes.
Look, Mom, dragonflies. Ooh, grass. It's so green. Let's go to the enchanted garden. There's so much to see in the enchanted garden. What do you see? I think Dad will like this. I like this flower for our collection.
Let's buzz like the bees. Buzz, buzz. You can try too.
I think Dad will like this. Blueberries! Tiger-tastic. This flower smells good. Have you ever smelled the flower? Butterflies! Wow! Look how they move. I can't wait to show Dad what we found. Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my dad. What do you think he'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think he'll really like that. Here you go, Dad. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my mom and with you, neighbor. Do you want to go on another nature walk?
Tiger-tastic. We can go to Jungle Beach and the woods.
If you want, you can invite someone you know to come too. Okay, let's go explore.
Enjoy your walk together.
There's so much to see at Jungle Beach. Do you see anything we could collect?
Daniel, look. Butterflies.
Have you ever seen seaweed?
What an interesting rock.
I like shells with tiger stripes. What shells do you like?
Oh, look, seaweed.
Dad, look at this rock. Let's go to the woods. Let's look around and see what we find in the woods.
What do you think we could make with that stick? Let's chirp like those birds. Chirp, chirp. You can try too.
The top of the acorn looks like a tiny hat. Can you think of something small enough to wear it? Ooh, a leaf. I think Mom would like this. Look, Dad, a pine cone.
What do you think we could make with that stick?
Wow, listen to the sound the woodpecker makes. The top of the acorn looks like a tiny hat. Can you think of something small enough to wear it?
Time to go home. Mom will love to see what we found on our walk.
Let's look in my bag and choose one thing for my mom. What do you think she'd like? Tiger-tastic choice. I think she'll really like that. Here you go, Mom. This is for you.
Thank you. That was so kind to bring me something from your walk.
I had a terrific time exploring outside with my dad and with you, neighbor.